What's the meaning of barrister? Barrister. Barrister.
Barrister. Barrister. A barrister is a type of legal professional who is qualified to provide legal advice and advocacy services in court. These professionals are typically highly trained in various aspects of the law, including litigation, negotiation, and dispute resolution. They often specialize in particular areas of law, such as criminal law, civil law, or family law, and may represent clients ranging from individuals to corporations. Barristers are commonly found in common law jurisdictions such as the United Kingdom, where they play an important role in the administration of justice. They are known for their ability to provide skilled representation and advocacy for their clients in court.